Make money online through YouTubers campaigns. Here are some strategies you can consider. Enable monetization. To start earning money from your YouTube channel, you'll need to meet certain requirements and enable monetization. This involves joining the YouTube Partner Program, setting up an AdSense account, and complying with YouTube's monetization policies. Once approved, you can start running ads on your videos. Create valuable content. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. The more people watch your videos, the more ad impressions you'll generate, increasing your earning potential. Find a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has a demand for content. Optimize your videos for ads. Consider the ad experience when creating and editing your videos. Place ads strategically within your videos to maximize revenue without compromising the viewer's experience. YouTube offers different ad formats, including pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, and overlay ads. Experiment with different ad placements to find what works best for your content. Promote your videos. Actively promote your videos on social media platforms, your website or blog, and relevant online communities. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher the likelihood of generating ad revenue. Use appropriate keywords, tags, and compelling thumbnails to increase the visibility of your videos in search results. Build a loyal audience. Focus on building a loyal subscriber base that regularly watches and engages with your content. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and share your videos. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for their feedback, and incorporating their suggestions into your content. Explore sponsorships and brand partnerships. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorships and brand partnerships. Collaborating with brands relevant to your niche can provide additional income opportunities. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and ensure the partnerships align with your values and the interests of your viewers. Diversify your revenue streams. YouTube ad revenue can be variable, so consider diversifying your income streams. You can explore options such as affiliate marketing, selling merchandise or digital products, crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon, or offering exclusive content through a membership program. Stay informed and adapt. Keep up with the latest YouTube policies, updates, and best practices. Stay informed about new monetization opportunities and features that YouTube offers. Adapt your content strategy based on feedback from your audience and changes in the YouTube platform. Remember, building a successful channel and generating significant income from YouTube as campaigns takes time, effort, and consistent content creation. Focus on providing value to your audience, building engagement, and exploring different monetization strategies to maximize your earning potential.